Well, did you figure it out? Let's take a look at this. We start off just fine here. We're going to assume throughout that a is non-zero. A is b. There's no problem with multiplying both sides by b. That's okay. And there's no problem with subtracting both of these sides from the quantity a squared. That's no problem. And there's no problem with factoring them as we did here in line 4. A times a minus b equals a minus b times a plus b. But the problem is here at line 5. We canceled out this common term a minus b, which normally is fine, but of course it's fine only if this common term is not equal to 0. And since a is equal to b, a minus b is equal to 0. And so it's this here line 5, that's illegitimate. If you figured it out, good job. All right, we're moving on to bigger and better things now.